Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 3 simple methods on how to fix your Google Chrome screen, which will shift to the right or left here in your PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed with the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please proceed with the best match. Click on Open to continue. Now, the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, simply proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there are 3 dots. Click on it to customize and control Google Chrome. Once you are done, please scroll down and locate where the settings, which has the gear icon. Click on it to bring up the Chrome settings. Once you are here with the Chrome settings, navigate to the left pane or left side of that where you can see there are a list of the options under settings. Please locate for system. Now under the system tabbed, okay, you need to locate with the option called use graphics acceleration when available. So it is very important to turn it off. Once you have turned it off, relaunch the window. And the moment you've relaunched your Google Chrome browser again, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So the next method that you can do is you need to update the Google Chrome to the latest version. So by that, you need to navigate the same steps, and that is to proceed with the settings again here at the Chrome browser. And once you have bring it up, please proceed at the left side again and click on this lower option, which is about Chrome. The moment you click on it, it will automatically check for updates. And in my case, my Chrome is up to date and the latest version number is 135.0.7049.96. So the moment you click on About Chrome, if you in your case, your Google Chrome is not updated, it will be automatically update the Google Chrome application. So by that, make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection so that you would be able to finish the update in a lesser time. Okay? Once you're done, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So the third method that you can do is you need to proceed with the resetting of the settings here in your Google Chrome browser. So please proceed with reset settings. And under the reset settings, you would be able to see restore settings to their original defaults. Click on this. And by here, you would be able to see a window where it asks you to confirm your action to reset the settings. Click on reset settings. And this will reset some Google Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts and disable extensions, as well as this will delete cookies and other temporary site data. But the bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. So click on reset settings and check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed, okay? So close the window and you're good to go. So those are the 3 methods on how to fix your problem. If those methods help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.